Welcome to the very first episode on A B testing. A B testing part 1, where we will understand what A B testing is and why do we use it. A B testing is a type of experiment in which two or more variations of a variable are randomly presented to users. Statistical analysis is then employed to ascertain which version performs better in achieving a specific goal. The goal could involve increasing sales, conversion rates, click through rates, or reducing churn rate. To perform an A B test, you must create two different versions of a single piece of content, modifying only one variable. For example, in the case, the color of the telephones is different. These two versions are then shown to two similarly sized audiences, and their performance is analyzed over a specific period to determine which version is more effective. This was a basic introduction on A B test. In the next video, we will understand the steps involved in A/B test. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Until next time, happy learning.